Acrylic signs are the one sure shot way to enhance your office interior, and this is exactly what we did for Shoe King, a high-end retail store specializing in premium shoes. Now, their store has this stunning white and gold interior, and we wanted their logo board to fit right in and stand out all at the same time. And so, we crafted a glow sign board using a sheet of white acrylic that gives off this incredible glass-like look. We then took their logo and laser cut it from a gold acrylic sheet with a shiny mirror-like finish. And to make it truly pop, we embedded thousands of LED modules inside. The end result, a logo board that looks absolutely fabulous during the day and mesmerizing at night when the lights are switched on.